Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again from SGA Skoda Coimbatore showroom today, and I am here with the new Skoda Rapid TSI Monte Carlo top spec variant. This Monte Carlo is essentially a cosmetically accessorized version of the top spec style variant of the Skoda Rapid, made to look a bit sportier on the inside and out. First of all, you get to see this very bright red color which is exclusive only for the Monte Carlo version and is almost the exact same red seen on the Volkswagen Polo. Now this being based on the top spec style variant of the Skoda Rapid, you of course get projector headlamps with LED DRLs and front fog lamps. The chrome detailing on the front grille have also been replaced by glossy black, and the Monte Carlo exclusively gets these very special looking 16-inch alloy wheels, while also getting other special touches such as a glossy black ORVM, a very special looking Monte Carlo badge on the B pillar, and a glossy black roof. Moving towards the rear, you get to see that there has been not much of a design change except for the dual tone treatment on the rear bumper. Even the tail lamps remain exactly the same. Complementing the dual tone rear bumper is this new glossy black spoiler lip, which though being a very small thing, definitely makes the Skoda Rapid look much more sportier and complements this glossy black roof. So that was all about the exterior details of the top spec Monte Carlo version of the Skoda Rapid TSI. Now let's get inside the interior to check out the differences. Entering the cabin of the new Skoda Rapid TSI Monte Carlo version, you will be surprised to see a totally different interior theme. You get triple tone seats with sporty looking red accents all around the cabin. In fact, everything that was in beige on the top spec style variant is totally black on the Monte Carlo version to provide a sporty appearance. In terms of features, of course there is no surprise. The Skoda Rapid Monte Carlo version carries forward the exact same features seen on the style variant, which includes all 4 power windows with anti-pinch function, electric folding ORVMs, automatic headlamps and automatic wipers. However, an exclusive feature on the Monte Carlo version is this perforated leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel with contrast red stitching. This design in fact has been inspired by the Skoda Octavia VRS. Apart from that, you get cruise control, a massive 8-inch Android touchscreen system which is brand new, automatic climate control from the entry-level rider variant itself, electrochromic IRVM and motion sensor based security system. This is the brand new touchscreen system available on the top spec style and Monte Carlo variants of the Skoda Rapid. It is based on Android, and as you can see it is crisper than before as well. However, it is kind of a bit slower to load simply because this has got a whole lot of options and it is actually a tab rather than an automobile touchscreen system. So let's just have a look at the menu. Of course, this here is the main menu where you get the Skoda logo on the left side, and this here is the options available for the FM, the band, the media and whatever you want to play, and this here is the equalizer button, and this here is the file for your internal storage. So as you can see, this here is the internal storage. Just like your mobile phone, you have a lot of internal storage options over here. You can actually store your songs and maybe even photos or videos, whatever you want. However, videos can be played only when the handbrake of the car is on. So this here is the lower control bar where you have all the options readily available. You get the navigation, which is not Google Maps. This instead is a Here Maps app. So it is okay, it is fine, it is reasonably precise. However, it is definitely not as fantastic as the Google Maps, because Google Maps is absolutely great. And this here is the main menu again. So this here is the overall menu. When you actually press the center button, you get a whole lot of other apps included, including Chrome browser, including Google over here, Netflix as well. You also get a Play Store, and there is a whole lot of options. This here is the Google Map. However, in order to activate Play Store, Google Maps and Netflix and so on, of course you also get a YouTube over here on the next screen. In order to activate all these, you have to connect your mobile phone to this system through hotspot and network data. Let me just activate the reverse camera. So this here is the transmission lever. I just slotted the car into reverse, and this is how the reverse camera monitor looks like. It is larger, it is wider, and it is decent in terms of display as well. This larger screen simply helps you navigate through your reverse driving very easily, navigate through any parking slot, anything. It is nice. However, my only grouse is that this car does not get adaptive guidelines. As you can see, these guidelines simply stay static. These are not bending. These are not
actively adaptive, so it is still fine though.
These Monte Carlo specific branded seats are actually the seats of the Ambition variant, wrapped in some very nice looking seat covers. So that was all about the features and the differences at the front part of the Skoda Rapid Monte Carlo's cabin. Now let's get to the back seat. Opening the rear cabin of the Skoda Rapid Monte Carlo, you get to see the very same design seats. However, the black and red theme has been carried forward here as well. The seats themselves, while being very comfortable, now also look very sporty. In terms of features, of course, you get 2 adjustable headrests, a center armrest and rear AC vents. Actually getting in the rear seat, this is how the dashboard of the Monte Carlo version looks like from the back seat. It is surprising to see how a 10-year-old dashboard design can be made to look so sporty and different by just subtle design and color changes. The Monte Carlo, being based on the top spec style variant, carries forward all the features seen on the style variant. However, while the style variant offered 4 airbags, the Monte Carlo offers just 2 airbags for the front. You neither get curtain airbags and nor the thorax airbags located on the sides of the seats. This is mainly due to the fitment of these custom-made seat covers for the Monte Carlo version. Apart from that, the Skoda Rapid TSI Monte Carlo is actually a beautiful car to look at, to be in, and is also exceptionally fun to drive. Now let's talk about the pricing of the top spec Monte Carlo and conclude this review. The Skoda Rapid may be an almost 10-year-old car, and it may not have the most exciting interior design. However, the subtle design changes made to the Skoda Rapid, especially on this Monte Carlo version, in this amazing glossy red shade, can still turn heads wherever you go. Most importantly, there is also the new 1-liter TSI 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, which really goes hand in hand with the looks. For the price, it may not be the most feature-loaded sedan you can buy. However, the Skoda Rapid has a good mix of excellent build quality, an amazingly satisfying drive feel, a punchy powertrain, and good levels of space and comfort. And the entry-level variant is also revolutionarily value for money. So do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the Skoda Rapid Monte Carlo top spec variant. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.